Hello, my wonderful people. Today I am taking on the challenge of cooking up a mouth-warming Nigerian tilapia fish in spice. Yam pepper soup. Can I get the flavor just right? Stick with me as we explore the perfect balance of spices and cooking techniques that makes this dish truly special. You will find the list of ingredients in the description below. Step by step, seasoning and marinating the fish. I have washed the fish and I will cut the tilapia fish into medium-sized pieces. In a bowl, I will season the tilapia fish with fish spices and pepper soup spices. I will mix well and cover with cellophane wrap and let it marinate in the fridge while preparing the yam. Many people struggle with getting the right mix of spices while making fish dishes. Nigerian cuisine is all about layering flavor and finding the right balance is key. Too much spice can overpower the fish, while too little can make the dish blend. In this video, I will show you how to select the right spices for depth and warmth. Prepare and season the tilapia for maximum flavor. Cook the yam pepper soup to perfection. Please, guys, I want to beg each and every one of you. It is not right while watching my video. You are watching my video, not giving me like, not giving me comment. Guys, please, your comment encourage me to do more videos, to keep doing more amazing videos and more delicious recipes. It is not easy cooking and making video and also editing the video. Come on, guys, you are bigger than this. You all know you are bigger than this. Please don't just watch my video without liking, without commenting. It also make the algorithms to keep pushing my videos to more amazing people like you. Please, guys, on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook, you don't just watch any video and not giving that video like and comment. Please encourage me, guys. I am begging everybody. You guys are not doing me good by not giving me like and comment. Please, come on, guys. I know you guys can do better than this. Encourage me with your like, with your comment, please. Both Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, I'm begging everybody, please. Encourage me with your like. It means so much to me, guys. Help me so that the algorithm will always push my video to more amazing people like you. Have you tried making tilapia pepper soup before? What is your secret to getting the spice just right? Let me know in the comments. If you love this recipe, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment and share your thoughts. Subscribe for more delicious recipes. Follow for more. Preparing the yam pepper soup. I have washed the yam and I will cut the yam into bit-sized pieces. And I will place it in a pot. I will add enough water to cover the yam and add a pinch of salt. Bring to a boil and cook until almost soft. Once the yam is nearly cooked, I will add the marinated tilapia fish to the pot. Then I will blend the pepper and tomato. I will add cloves and pepper soup aroma, orioma. I will cover and allow it to cook. Now I will pour the blended tomatoes. I will stir gently and cover, allow it to simmer on low medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Taste and adjust salt if needed. I will season with seasoning cube. Omo guys, this pepper soup enter. It got the heart of my husband. Guys, my husband and my kids, they love this pepper soup. In fact, they want more of this pepper soup. The taste, the aroma is wow. The tilapia is tender and packed with flavor. The yam pepper soup is rich and satisfying with just the right level of spice. See you in my next video. Bye.